Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy cauliflower and potato soup. And my ingredients are cauliflower, Irish rooster potatoes, vegetable stock cube, ground ginger, garlic granules and ground white pepper. And I'm also going to make the soup today in a compact soup maker. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the vegetables. I'm going to cut the cauliflower into nice small florets, and then I'm also going to peel and chop my potatoes into nice small cubes. So now you can see I've, after chopping up and peeling the potatoes, and I've also chopped up the cauliflower. So now they're ready to be put into the soup maker. So when you're adding stuff into the soup maker, it's very important that you look at the markings so you know exactly how much vegetables to put in. So I'm adding in cauliflower first, and then the potatoes. Now, so we've reached our minimum amount of vegetables. So next thing I'm going to do is add in cold water. I'm going to bring it up to the marking of max. So next thing to go in is the vegetable stock cube. So I've just broken the cube up into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add that in. And then I'm also going to add in the ground white pepper. So just a little sprinkle. And then also the garlic granules. Again, a little sprinkle. And then lastly, the ground ginger. And then we're going to stir this up, and then it's ready to start cooking. So now we're just going to put on the lid. So we have options at the top of the soup maker to choose which setting you would like. So I'm going to choose smooth, and then start. So now it's going to cook for 19 minutes, and it's also going to blend. So when I come back in 19 minutes, my soup will be all cooked and blended. Nice and simple. From the Morphy Richards soup maker. So now the soup has been 19 minutes cooking. So we're just going to have a look and see how it's done. Just remove the lid, and now there you can see we have a nice textured soup. It's nice and thick and smooth, so all we have to do now is serve. And so there we have a lovely and healthy potato and cauliflower soup. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.